Unraveling Every so often, a simple guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, every so often. This is a common phrase in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more natural in your conversations. So, let's dive in and make sense of this interesting phrase. Every so often is a phrase used to describe an action or event that happens occasionally, but not regularly or frequently. It's similar to saying, from time to time, or once in a while. This phrase is useful when you want to convey that something happens, but not on a regular or predictable schedule. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. 1. I visit my hometown every so often to see my family. 2. She goes to the cinema every so often. She loves movies. 3. We clean the attic every so often to keep it tidy. These sentences show how every so often is used to describe occasional actions. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are some: occasionally, from time to time, now and then, once in a while. Each of these can be used in similar contexts as every so often. A common mistake is using every so often for regular events. Remember, it's for things that happen occasionally and without a regular schedule. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of every so often. Remember, it's all about indicating that something happens sometimes, but not in a fixed or regular pattern. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.